Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So it's that time. I got my Eyescream beauty box with me, and this is for the month of May. It's right here. It is very light. You know how sometimes they come in a bigger box or it's very heavy? This one's really light. So let's see, I'm curious to see. In case you didn't know, Eyescream Beauty is a monthly subscription box, a makeup subscription box, and is Latina owned. And it guarantees an eyeshadow palette every month. But everything you get is makeup related. Sometimes you may get like a skincare product, but for the majority of the time, it's just makeup. So this is the card here with all the stuff inside. I'll read that later. I don't know if I told you the price, but the price is $25 a month. What is this? Look how pretty that is. CHERYLH US. Okay. Open this up and see. Do I twist it? Do I just pull it? Ooh, oh. Okay, it doesn't smell. Oh, what is this? CHERYLH US. Okay, let's see what this is because I have no idea what it is. Okay, this is a 3D Rose Blusher by CHERYLH, and it retails for $30. So it says this blush has been all over TikTok. You can use a finger or a flat brush to pick up the product and apply it to your face. If you want a very light blush of color, you can use any fluffy brush. This is definitely made to stay on any makeup vanity. It's too cute. Okay. Oh, that is so freaking weird. It is. That's the color. That is so freaking interesting because you look at it, the texture and how it looks like it was like if it was fabric or plasticky, but it's actually a blush. This is so interesting and unique. Wow. It is very pigmented. It's like an orange type of color. I'm already wearing your makeup, and I think it's supposed to go before you powder your face. I think it's best. It doesn't say in the card, but it seems very pretty, and it seems like it has a little bit of sheen to it. Super excited to try that under powder. That is so cute, and like I said, very original. See here, this is the duochrome liquid eyeshadow by Chantico Beauty. It retails for $19, and it says we are including an extra liquid duochrome shadow to help complete the eye look for both palettes. This can be used as a highlight eyeshadow topper. Okay, so it's an eyeshadow topper. Keep that in mind. It goes best on top of eyeshadow. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's very pretty. Oh, that is very nice. Let me just try to put this in my inner corner, even though I already have one, but I'm curious. That made it pop more for sure. Oh yeah, I see it. Ooh, this is nice. Can't wait to try this on top of eyeshadow. The next thing I see here is by BFC, Beauty for Certain. This is a high pigment gloss by Beauty for Certain, and it retails for $22. So it says here on the card, Beauty for Certain is a brand created by rap artist BIA, best known for her song Whole Lotta Money from her For Certain album. This lip gloss is hydrating, non-sticky, long-lasting, and lightly plumping. It gives your lips extra shine with a smooth finish that you could build up as you desire. So by the fact that it says that it's a plumping lipstick or lip gloss, I know I'm not going to use it, but I want to show you the packaging. It has a beautiful packaging. I don't know who the artist is, to be honest, but let me see if this is open. Yeah, I'm gonna set this aside for a future giveaway. I keep adding more stuff for a future giveaway, so this is gonna be in there. The next thing I see is a lip pencil from Bel Air. Look at that gold packaging, it's very pretty. So this is a lip liner by CHERYLH Cosmetics, and it retails for $16. Let me see the color. Oh, that is nice. Yes, it's kind of mauve. Love that, and it feels very creamy. I'm gonna like this a lot, I think. Perfect. I love lip liners, especially those tones like that. Looks very pretty. The last thing I see is the palette. Now this month you got to choose the palette that you wanted. They had two palettes, and you got to choose the one you wanted. You go to the website and you put in your email and you choose. I was having trouble with it, and they were having trouble with it too. I think it's because it's the first time they've been doing it, the first time they have done this, so they were having trouble with people logging in and being able to choose. And I was having trouble too. I couldn't choose. I was typing in my email and it wouldn't let me choose. So after a while, they had posted in their Instagram that they were having trouble with people getting to choose their palettes. So they fixed it supposedly, and I tried again and it wouldn't let me go in. So I was like, oh well, I can't do nothing. So I wrote to them on their post and I let them know I still couldn't choose. So they messaged me. They were kind enough to message me and asking me what was the problem, and I told them, well, I logged in to the website with my email and my password. I logged in perfectly, and then when you're gonna choose, it asks you again to write in your email. So I wrote my email again, and it says that it's an invalid email. And I'm like, but how is it invalid if I just logged in with it? That makes no sense. So I told them the problem. I don't know if they checked. I think they checked, and they said it was odd that it was happening. So they told me, just let us know which one you wanted. We could do it manually. So I was like, oh, thank God. And I told them, yeah, I want this one specifically. And I didn't know if they received a message or not, because I never got no confirmation after that or any reply after that. So I didn't know if I was gonna get the one that I wanted or a random one. But I have here the Power Palette, and this is the one that I wanted. I don't know if it was a coincidence or they actually read the message and they sent me this one, but I'm so grateful that they sent this one, because I didn't want the other one, not because I didn't like it, but it was like a rainbow palette, and I already have so many rainbow palettes. I was like, I don't need another rainbow palette. I like this one because I like the colors of this one, the color story of this one. And let me tell you the information first, because I got too excited. So this is the Power Palette by Gourmet Girls in collab with Cosmic Peaches. So this is the Power Palette, and the other one, the Rainbow Palette, was the Virtual Palette. So I skipped on that one. I wanted this one. And this retails for $33. And this is the one that I wanted. Let me show you the colors. Look how grungy those top colors look. That green with that dark brown up there, and of course it has the black. And you can I don't know why this up here especially reminded me of like fall colors. That's why I liked it so much. So I can't. Oh, and it has a white as well. That is awesome. Let me try these two shimmers right here. They're super creamy. Are you seeing that? I gotta swatch this. It's a shame that I have makeup on already, because I really want to try this, but I will in another video. Okay, so one of them, this one over here, is more like a topper. That would look gorgeous on top of that black. And look how metallic this one is. That is just gorgeous. I think I'm gonna like this. Let me swatch some of the matte ones just in case. Let me try this green here. Oh yeah, look at that. And this burnt orange. It's more on the brown side. It's like a warm brown. I think I'm gonna like this a lot. Stay tuned for a video of me using this palette because I'm super excited and curious to try it. So that's everything that I got. Let me know what you think of all the products. I think this one's a hit definitely this month. I really like May's box a lot. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Hello beautiful people. If I can get it out. Oh Lord. Sometimes they come in a bigger box or it's very heavy. This is definitely made to, I don't know if I told you the price, but